Hi everyone, my name is Jasmine.
I'm Dana.
We like to welcome you back to our weekly Facebook Live. So we go live every Friday at 3 p.m. Pacific Standard Time. So today we will be showing you a DIY project. But before we get into that, we wanted to announce 2 new products that we have available, which are our Build Your Own Essential Oil Sets. So now you can build your own 3-pack and you can build your own 6-pack essential oil set. And you can put any essential oil that we have available on our website into your essential oil set. So that means that you can mix and match essential oil blends with single notes into your 3-pack or 6-pack. And it makes a great gift for a loved one for the holiday season. Alright, so for our DIY, what exactly are we going to be doing today?
So today we'll be making a gingerbread room spray. So the things you'll be needing today are a 2-ounce bottle, spray bottle cap. And we pre-filled this with 1 part water, 1 part witch hazel. And then for essential oils, you'll be needing nutmeg, cinnamon leaf, ginger, and clove. Nice. So what you'll do is in your witch hazel and water, you'll need 4 drops of nutmeg.
Smells good.
And then 4 drops of cinnamon leaf.
Hi, Violet from Port Dover, Ontario. Ooh, hello.
4 drops of ginger.
I can smell it already.
I start to smell good. And then 2 drops of clove.
Okay.
Lost the cap there.
Cool.
All right.
So oh, I can already smell it.
Sounds good. So just shake your bottle and then spray.
Smells. Oh, it does smell just like a gingerbread.
Like
cup.
fresh baked gingerbread.
Are you
Smells
gonna
delicious. Yeah, I sprayed it again.
I would actually wear this as like a perfume during the holiday season.
Yeah.
So people think that I'm baking gingerbread all the time. Oh, it smells
fresh
so
baked
good.
cookies.
Yeah. So you can use it as a room spray, but you can probably also spray it like on pine cones.
Yes, right? Christmas decorations, your Christmas tree. You can leave it in the bathroom during the holidays when you invite people over.
That's true. That's actually great for your Christmas tree if you have an artificial one that smells like nothing. You can make it smell like gingerbread.
Totally.
Make your whole house smell like gingerbread. So that's awesome. So we also have another announcement. So we will be doing a special pre-Black Friday sale very soon. So we highly suggest that you head over to plantlife.net and sign up for our email list. So when you go to our website, there'll be a little pop-up that'll say sign up for our newsletter and receive 20% off. So go ahead and just fill in your email into there, and then you'll receive a confirmation letting you know that you are all signed up. And once our pre-Black Friday sale goes live, you will receive an email to shop away. So you don't want to miss this, so make sure that you head over to our website, plantlife.net, so you can be a part of that pre-Black Friday sale. And let us know if you guys try out this amazing DIY spray, because it really does smell like gingerbread.
Yeah, let us know how you like it.
Yes. Or if you have any DIYs that you'd love to see us do, or if there's any products that you'd love to learn about, let us know in the comments below, and we'd love to discuss it further in the next Facebook Live. So we won't be going live next week due to the holiday, but we will be going live again on December 1st at 3 p.m. So we will see you guys all December 1st at 3 p.m. Pacific Standard Time.
See you guys.